Growing up in rural England, I knew from an early age that I had a passion for nature. Now, having spent 2 decades exploring and making my home in Canada, it's this amazing country's natural spaces that feed my soul. I love the majestic wildernesses, and I love the everyday wonder of birds in my backyard feeders. I love the wildflowers, frogs, snakes and butterflies in the green spaces right near where I live in Ottawa. Hi, I'm Eleanor. I'm one of Nature Canada's 45,000 members and supporters, and I'm thrilled to be Nature Canada's new Executive Director. This year marks our 75th anniversary. In our first 75 years, we helped protect more than 63 million acres of parks and wildlife areas in Canada. And it was because of people just like you that this was possible. Thank you. Let's all work together to make sure the next 75 years live up to this amazing record. Join me in standing up and being a voice for nature.